building the foundation of production in SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud, creating the bill of material BOM. The bill of material is the absolute heart of manufacturing in any ERP system. It defines exactly what goes into making a product. The list of component, sub-assembly, and raw materials required. In SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud, creating and maintaining these crucial recipes is streamlined and through intuitive Fiori app like maintain bill of material. Here's a look at the process for creating a production BOM usage one. Access the app, log in to Fiori and open the maintain bill of material app. Bill of material. We will use the version 2. Let's go. And open the maintain bill of material version 1 or version 2 app. Then create a BOM Header. Enter the core detail for the parent material, finished or semi-finished product, the plant, and the BOM usage, typically one for production. Using a change number is key for managing revisions. So the first step, I click on Create BOM. Then I enter all the information, material, finished or semi-finished product. We realize a structure of a bike. We start with the semi-finished, the body of the bike with the one set, one frame, one handlebar. So we enter, I would like to body. So I select the body bike in first. Then I put the information that for its plant key P01, the usage, one. Automatically, you have the information about the alternative BOM. If you create a different, automatically a number is incremented, is added. If you want to use the change number, you just have to select it. But it's not the case for this demo. So I click on create. So right now, add component. This is where you list the ingredient. For each component, you add the material number and required quantity. And the item category by default is stock item, but you can also add a document item, enhanced limits, non-stock item, preliminary item, variable size item, non-plant item, and text item. So we just explain in the next video the differences between all these item category. But here's where the power and detail come in, defining how each component behave using item category. So I explain stock item, the most common for components that are kept in and issued from stock. Non-stock item, and for component procured directly for the order or consumed immediately without being put into formal stock. Variable size item, here crucial for material like sheet metal or pipe when the required quantity is calculated based on dimension using a formula. You enter size, unique, formula key, and the app calculate the quantity. Text item, for adding note, instruction, or references like documentation that are part of the BOM but not physically consumed material. So, again, used only for this demo item category. So what are the ingredients for my body bike? Seat, frame, handlebar. So seat, one, frame. As you see, it's very simple. And frame and handlebar, one pieces. So I've got the all the information about my my BOM. Either attribute for one pieces to realize one pieces, I need a different element. So I navigate, check and save. Review your header attribute and component detail, then save your new production BOM. So, okay, header attachment, I'm able to add some document into my BOM. So add component. If I want to go to the detail of my component, I go inside like this. And again, I review the different tabulation. So in particular, if you maintain variable size item, you have to complete this information. For example, statute long text, okay, administrative, purchase detail in direct procurement. So as you can see, I have a lot of information. So, and then I click on apply. And if everything is good, I click on create. So resolve data inconsistency to save change. Okay, I've got what is it? Okay, I don't have any more detail, but this perhaps one material is not defined correctly for the plant. Um, so I can keep my bill of materials. I do not lost. So create the object, keep draft. I want to keep draft. Okay. Um, product product list. I have to see that all the materials have the information. So I need to display the product. We have the seat. We have the handlebar. We have also body. Okay, and we have body, seat. Yeah, frame. Okay. 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 I do not define correctly. For example, as you can see, body bike, seat, and handlebar. The frame is not defined correctly for the wrong plant. So for that, manage product master data. And I see other things that is not good for me. For example, like this, you are able to see how to change this information. So in this video, you see if you have some error message, how to proceed. So I go to the plant. I'm not able to remove anything. So in this case, I select the plant, I click on copy, and then I mark for deletion for the plant. So I enter the right plant and I rem- save. Click on edit. I go then into the valuation area. Important also, I create the information about the valuation. As we are in a raw material, I define again for my plant. Valuation class is a raw material, and I define for all this moving average price frame. Okay, I click on apply. I save. I go back, and if I want to say that if all my materials maintained correctly, okay, my body bike, my seat, my frame, my handlebar are correctly defined. Yes, everything is good. So right now I'm able to go back into recent activities. So I put this my bill of material, edit statue, draft. No, own draft. My own draft. Okay, I go in the detail. Okay, and right now I click on again on create. That is magic. Can see you have never lost your work. So when you have any issue, you have a draft. You look, for example, the most common issue is that you don't have used a material defined for the same plant. So definitively, having accurate BOM with correctly defined item categories non-negotiable for effective material requirement planning, production execution, and product costing. It ensures you know exactly what you need, how is it used, and what your product truly costs. Thank you so much.